Hi friends, this is Vaishu from Vaishu Kannada. Friends, those who want to learn spoken Kannada, those people should learn parts of speech. In that, noun is the first one. Noun means it's a naming word. I won't go briefly explanation. Just I gave a simple examples related to family relationships and peoples. Okay, let's start. First, family relationships. Okay, first one, father means appa, mother, amma, elder brother, anna, younger brother, tamma, elder sister, akka, younger sister, tangi, grandfather, ajja, grandmother, ajji. Next, uncle, chikkappa, aunt, chikkamma, son, maga, daughter, magalu, husband, ganda, wife, endati, father-in-law, mava, mother-in-law, atte, brother-in-law, bava, sister-in-law, attige. Next, other relationships. Friend, ಗೆಳೆಯ for males. For girls, we use snehite for females. Teacher, guru. Student, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ. Neighbor, ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವರು. Guest, ಅತಿಥಿ. Child, ಮಗು. Boy, ಹುಡುಗ. Girl, ಹುಡುಗಿ. Man, ಗಂಡು. Woman, ಹೆಣ್ಣು. For plural, we use man for men, ಗಂಡಸು. Woman as woman, ಹೆಂಗಸು. Okay, this much. Please friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press up bell icon. I will give more videos like this. In next class, we will learn about some other nouns. Okay, bye, take care everyone.